On Friday, April 26th, 2024, we are trackside in Brenham, Texas. We are about to witness a BNSF local entering town to begin switching work on a section of trackage unlike any other in the region. Brenham is home to Bluebell Creameries, known for their ice cream which is made right here in town. Bluebell is one of the last companies in the area to receive shipments by rail. In order for BNSF to access Bluebell's facility, the railroad makes use of the remnants of a Southern Pacific main line. While the majority of the line in this area has long since been abandoned and ripped out, a small section remains in regular use between the BNSF main line and Bluebell's plant. Just because this track is active doesn't mean it is modern. The rail at this particular location dates back to 1920, making it 104 years old at the time of recording. The local has backed onto a cut of cars and is ready to head to Bluebell, but a high-priority intermodal stack train will be crossing the diamond first. With the intermodal clear, the local proceeds across the diamond, without their main headlight on. Whoops! What you are about to witness is an increasingly common sight on this line, modern 6-axle GE locomotives on rickety 100-year-old track. As you can see, the grade crossing signals here gave a dangerously low amount of warning. The track circuit controlling them only detects trains very close to the crossing, requiring the train crew to stop and ascertain that the coast is clear. Evidently, this didn't happen. I'm sensing a bit of a pattern with this crew. With the train clear, we move on to capture some others we knew were close. Thank you for watching.